It's really good. Goals for 2020.
Sounding like this garbage, and by the end of it, you'll know.
Okay, I'm getting sidetracked. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. First of all, I want to say happy 2020, happy new year to all you guys, and thanks for tuning in and welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Andy and I am a videographer slash photographer, and on today's episode we're going to be talking about music and how important music is on your videos. First things first, I want to say Epidemic Sound did not sponsor this video, guys, or pay me to say go subscribe. I just think it's a really great source of music for YouTube, music for your podcast, music for whatever it is that you want to use it for. It's all copyright free music that you can use. It's great for all the creators out there, and I think like my top 6 YouTubers use it. It's obviously Peter McKinnon, Maddie Hapoy, Daniel Schaefer, Chris Howe, of course, Atola Visuals, and Becky and Chris, which is an awesome, great channel, guys. You guys gotta check them out. They have like this cool series with the helicopter. Check it out, you guys. Just trust me. As you saw in the beginning of the video, the little intro, that's the main thing that I want to talk about, is how important music is. Because without the clip that you saw in the beginning, without that song in the background, it would kind of leave you guys not confused, but just kind of like, you get where I'm going with it. But if you use a different song, look at how it looks. It's good. It's really good. And then compared to the original, see how big of a difference it makes. It sets that mood. It makes it more kind of like, I guess you could say, more funny because of the song. It all depends on what song you choose to set the mood for the video. You can't just throw like a hard rap song on an off-road video and expect it to get that feel. You need, like, maybe, like I always do, use a nice little rock song or a little post-rock or whatever, and your videos come out great because you get that feeling for it, you know what I mean? I did film like a little cinematic trailer, kind of like, I used the freaking Nerf gun, but it looks silly, but the song is what sets the tone for the video, and that's really important, or else the video is just like, here's a quick example. I know, it was corny as hell. It was a freaking Nerf gun. It's embarrassing. Anyways, the next other clip I want to throw on there is the camera that I got. You can't see. Oh, it's the trash from the it's this camera right here that my mom got me for Christmas. It's an old vintage camera. I don't want to sell it, touch it, just leaving it there. Kind of just put it here just to film. But for that one, I kind of set like an old school, kind of like, I don't know how you say it. It's kind of like an old feeling, kind of. Tell me what you guys think, and here's a little clip. Another good thing that is really good for is sound effects, and sound effects always come in handy, whether you need a sound effect for just anything you want. Like, I'm gonna freaking punch right now, you know what I mean? Like, you could add those sound effects. You can find anything you want, from a spray bottle to freaking a water hose running, a tire running on dirt, whatever you want, that thing has it. Epidemic Sound is freaking clutch when it comes down to sound effects, so make sure you check that out. And which brings me up this video that I actually did for my brother. As he was painting, I added sound effects, so most of those sound effects aren't really part of the video. It's sound clips I took from Epidemic Sound and added onto it. Here's a clip, check it out. Pretty awesome, right? So pricing Epidemic Sound is at 15 bucks a month, and that's the starter, which is, I'll put it up here on the screen, is 0 to 500k monthly channel views. And then you have the professional, which is 30 bucks a month, and it's 500k to 5 million views. Hit that someday, I hope. And of course you have the Epic, which is 150 unlimited. That is a lot. That's a month, guys. And one day I promise you, if you guys get Epidemic Sound, there's gonna be songs that you're gonna come across and you're gonna be like, damn, I could use it for this or that, you know. And it's gonna expand your mind to create. You're gonna want to go and create stuff. Pretty much there is no limit to Epidemic Sound, what you can create. That is it for this, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you guys can learn something out of this video and maybe get out there, create, expand like your creativity. Let's kick ass. It's 2020.